Balik mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live kaganihan na ila-ila nato katong duha ka college students nga dunay talagsaon nga advokasya alang sa komunidad. Ning higayon na mga kapuso ato sang pakisayran kining abilidad sa duha ka high school students nga mihimo og virtual map sa dakbayan sa Sugbo. Makauban nato karubutaga mga kapuso sila si Nicolai Wong ug si John Francois Villasis. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Sir Nico, right?
Yes, murag sangay,
Yeah,
dool-dool
Nico,
na. Nicolai o si Jean Francois. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Can you tell us more about this project nga inyong gibuhat? Kagama mo og virtual map sa Cebu City.
Okay, so actually, we are very proud of this map because this map is a joint effort. Because not just we don't take all the credit, not just me and Jean, sorry, but also to the small contributors of this project. Actually, even though this project is not fully finished, it's not yet done, and we might see a few bugs or inaccuracies, but we're proud we got this way. We got the publicity, we got the attention, and our community steadily grew. Yes.
Mm-hmm. How about you, John? Ngano nakahunona man jud mo nga magamaan ni ug unsa intention?
For back then, busy kami sa una, mga before last year actually. Pag humana na, normal things happen, and then March, after that, nabot ng quarantine or community lockdown. Diha namin nagsugod for our creation of the community and the city itself.
How is it like kung magbuhat mo? Brief background lang dyan kaning nasa imong luyo. Of course, usa na ni sa inyong gibuhat ang
Yes, sir.
itsura sa provincial capital. Unsa may pamaagi sa inyong pagbuhat an inyong virtual map?
For our references, either Google Maps or stock photos or pictures in the internet. So we search that and then kopyahon ng namo as reference, of course, yung scaling with the vehicles and the height itself.
And also we use because the measurements are also by numbers, and everything in the map starts with one part. It's just one solid brick like that, and we just resize it, and the numbers are very important, and we use feeling engineer na kami ani kay we use calculators. We use calculators to get like accurate measurements para dili unequal pud pa. So it gives us that very appealing finishing minimalist look.
This is for the Roblox platform, di ba? Unsa may katuyuan ngano nga naghimo mo ani nga virtual map sa Cebu City o ngano nga mag-create man sad og usa ka community?
We wanted to reunite the Filipino community in Roblox itself by bringing them up together and making a good community with good people and good values.
You're only 15 years old kamong duha. Di ba nilisod kay murag sa mga pangidaron karon sa uban? Dili kay ka-adapt?
We're not really rushing. We take time because we have time. And we do it slowly so we get the best results.
How about you, Nick? Mga pila man ka hours a day ang imong ma-devote para ani nga project?
Actually, I don't really devote that much because, of course, we have other personal responsibilities. We have other personal tasks. But whenever I have time, I do it. But when I don't feel like it, I don't force myself. I'm not that kind of person who force myself to get something done. But when I can, I will take that opportunity.
John, ikaw dyan, doon na kay personal target nga makumpleto na ni siya by unsa may imong time frame?
Para sa ako, murag wala lang. Just make the community thrive. Balag na unfinished parts as long as malingaw ang mga tao and our mga players. Basta, kuha na ka. Mag-hangout pero na mga role plays also.
Are you planning kuno to sell this kana inyong virtual nga map sa Cebu City?
No.
No, we're not planning.
We have no intention to sell it.
Coming from you, unsa la inyong message sa atong mga batan-on nga nagtan-aw karon siguro nakakaton sila ninyo og kani persistence gyud sa paghimo gyud sa mga gi-target, mga advocacies ug mga objectives sa kinabuhi. Sa gusto ninyo masulti sa mga nagtan-aw na ron nga mga batan-on?
Since we have free time, if you have free time, you can work. You can work, you can practice, you can work hard to strive and to achieve your goals, what you want to achieve. And sooner or later, you will become better or the best.
Do what you love. Just do what you love. If nakay ganahan na imoy tiwas or kanang i-beat nimo, you can do it. But of course, nasa free time, no? So you have to enjoy yourself as well. So keep it 50-50 para di kay ka ma-stressed out or di ka you don't have any problems in the end.
All right, thank you so much. We learned so much from you karong buntaga og nindot nga pastime karong panahon na, di ba? Samtang naka-quarantine. Thank you kang Nicolay o kang Jean-François sa pag-uban kanamo karong buntaga.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's a pleasure to be here, sir.
Thank you.